Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Chetak Shetty. I'm an orthodontist and I have a dental clinic. So this is about a product which will be useful for the dental clinic because of this COVID times. And during this COVID time, we do a lot of things which are very important to keep the clinic clean, hygienic and good for the patients and to the doctors, safe. So what is it? So when we do a list of things which we have to follow, things like when the patient comes in, about the temperature check, the oxygen checking, how they come into the clinic, where they should stand. It's also important about how to keep the clinic sterile by covering up the chairs, wherever you're touching. All the protocols have to be followed, including air purifiers, the fumigation of the clinic. So there are a lot of things which we all follow, and I'm sure we keep the clinic clean and in good health. In our dental chair, we have two suction units. One is a high-speed suction and a regular suction. So when we use this regular suction and the high-speed suction, we normally are taking the water or the air which is there from the patient's mouth and it is getting drained out. So what I realized is that this water and air which is being sucked from the patient's mouth gets filtered in the suction unit, where the water goes to the bottom and the air is there on top, and the water tends to get drained out and the air is exhausted from a small exhaust which is near the suction unit. When I realized that, I asked him, where does the air go? He said it's coming back into the clinic. So I found it not very hygienic. So I asked him, what is the solution for it? So he said there is a small solution for it. That's the Steriline Exhaust, which is antibacterial and antiviral up to 99.9% because it's got the HEPA 13 filter and tends to filter this exhaust air which is coming out. And once it is exhausted, once it comes through this, the air which is coming out is a filtered air coming back into the clinic. So I found that quite practical. So I picked it up, and this is called as a Steriline Exhaust. So to give you a demo of what I mean is, when we remove the suction, right? This suction, as it runs, there is an inflow of air and water, and when this is being used, I will show you. The water gets ejected, but the air is coming through this silencer over here. Can you make out? Can you see the plastic sheet shaking because of the air coming out? So you can see the air coming out over here. So this is ejected into the clinic. Okay, so this is the Steriline Exhaust, which is marketed by Confident, and it's a made in India product. And as it says, it is an antibacterial and virus filter, 99.9%, and quality according to HEPA 13. So it's got a HEPA 13 filter in this exhaust. So let's open the pack, and if you look at it, they have given a pipe, and this is the exhaust unit. So the bad air enters from this point, gets filtered inside this, and the filtered air comes out from here. So they have a manual for the same. It tells you about how to connect it from the exhaust system. And this is the bacterial filter inside this. So everything is written in this booklet. When you're picking it up, you will get this booklet. So this is what you get, and it's that simple. We can easily connect it to our dental chair. Let's see how to go about it. So I have connected the filter to the pipe, and now I will be connecting it to the chair suction unit. I'll show you. Let me just connect it. I have let it outside the clinic. Now the filter is outside, so I don't have to worry about the exhaust getting into the clinic. Can you see it? So now I'm going to activate the suction. Filter is now outside the clinic. It's not inside anymore. The air which is coming out from here. I can feel the air which is being exhausted and it is going outside. So I find that this is much more healthier than keeping it just like that inside the clinic.